गं गणपतये नमो नमः।
गजवदना गणनाथ प्रभो, गजवदना गणनाथ प्रभो, सङ्कटहरणा भवभयहरणा, सङ्कटहरणा भवभयहरणा, वेदविधायकमोदकहस्ता, वेदविधायकमोदकहस्ता, विद्यादायक हे मम बन्धो, विद्यादायक हे मम बन्धो।
शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसार परमा, आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनी, वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदा, जाड्यान्धकारापहा, हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधती, पद्मासने संस्थिता, वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं, बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्।
A well-educated mind will always have more questions than answers. Namaste and warm greetings to one and all from Sindhi Model School fraternity. Dear teachers, students and parents, let us welcome this new academic year with new energies and new hope. Wishing you all very best in this new academic year. Let us make a beginning by thanking God for having sustained us throughout last year and seek His blessings for another great year at school. With ordinary talents and extraordinary persistence, all things are attainable. At Sindhi Model Senior Secondary School, we follow the principle explore, exercise and achieve, whereby we provide a platform to every child for experiential learning and group exploration. At the core of Sindhi's educational philosophy, modern education and cultural heritage are complementary and help the students to become good human beings and responsible global citizens. We inculcate respect for Indian culture and diversity in the students. Our school cares for individual development of all students. We accord prime importance to the behavioral discipline, moral integrity and cognitive developments of our students. Our teachers strive to teach not only academic but also life skills for students' self-development. We are very grateful to our SMS parents for their sincere involvement in the school. Without the single-minded cooperation between the school and the home, we cannot offer the holistic education towards which we are striving. We believe that this is the time not to deal with the current emergencies alone, but also build foundations of resilience to face difficulties even in the future. Let us consider this formidable challenge as an opportunity to learn and must rise to meet this bravely. We shouldn't let this pandemic pin us down. We must remain positive and keep our hopes alive. As nothing is predestined, the obstacles of our past can be gateways that lead to new beginnings. Stay safe, stay positive. God bless.
Dear teachers, parents and students, my best wishes and greetings to all of you. I welcome you all to the Sindhi Model School Kelly's family. We are all one big family and together we shall make this school a success. I thank you for your cooperation in the previous year, all of you teachers for having taken online courses, dear students for having attended online courses, and parents for your great cooperation in the year of the pandemic. I hope 2021-22 will be a better year for India and the family of Sindhi School Kellys. I hope normal functioning of the school will commence in a few months. I request your cooperation and I request all of you to make a resolution that in the coming year you will work harder and improve your performance as teachers, as students, as citizens of this country. I pray to the Almighty that this pandemic may be conquered and offline classes will start soon in this school. Thank you very much. My best wishes.
Respected Chairman, Shri Rajalal Chani, the Principal, Srimati Victoria, Vice Principal, Srimati Padma, dear parents and dear students, a namaste to one and all. Our way of living, working, relating and socializing has altered forever since the COVID-19 virus came about. The hardest thing about the whole situation is uncertainty and rapid change. Like many of us, I have often found myself tuning in for the latest update from the Prime Minister to discover how drastically we will have to alter our plans for the upcoming weeks for the past 1 year. We know that our current situation will not last forever. This financial oppression that we face will not be perpetual. The impact of COVID-19 in general is real as well and will leave a mark for decades to come. There is a lot of uncertainty, but seeing the best in people every day should give us all the hope that this too shall pass. I want to encourage you to look at this whole situation through an optimistic lens. When I look at the staff of Sindhi Model School, the remarkable and tireless work they have been doing, the technical support and other administrative teams having all operations run as smoothly as possible. I see how all are working together for the common goal, which is survival and restoration. We are all doing our part to win this war on COVID-19 pandemic together. It is something truly significant to witness. Even though this pandemic has attacked our routines, our sense of hope, and especially our health, it has brought out the best in people in an unprecedented way. Yes, the long-lasting negative effects are undeniable, but so are the positive ones. I have no doubt that we will keep on caring more for others, break social barriers, and create a long-lasting harmony. We all will emerge from this stronger than ever before. Dear students, the world is changing. It is getting more competitive and at the same time offering enormous opportunities to those who possess appropriate skills, the right attitude, and an innovative mind. Technology and innovation are going to be the key facilitators of success in future. Dream big, think big, experiment and be passionate in whatever you do. We all live in the age of instant results and quick fixes. Today, we can do most things at the click of a button, thanks to the digital revolution. But what we must not forget is that success does not come this way. It cannot be achieved instantly. It only comes with sheer hard work, dedication, pushing oneself beyond one's capabilities, striving for excellence and making the best of opportunities available. If you are passionate about Follow your passion and success will be yours. I am sure that we will collectively overcome the situation by taking all the possible preventive and precautionary measures. So with these few words, I welcome you to the new academic year and wish you all the best. Jai Hind,